Welcome back to my new videos. So today I'm going to show you like how we can add route in the Imperva gateways. Okay, so let's suppose right now I'm on the screen. Okay, so as you can see here, the option is showing add route. So I will just select first option. Okay, so yeah, here it's showing like to select network and host. Okay, so network means like if you have to add some subnet, okay, so you need to select network. Otherwise, you need to go with host. Okay, if you have to select only particular IP, then you need to go with host. Okay, so in my case, right now I'm going with subnet. Okay, so I will select network first. Okay, now it asking IP with CIDR. Okay, so I will give the IP. Okay, so let's suppose I will add route for IP 10 dot 70 dot 0 dot 0, and I will give 24 CIDR. I will just put enter. So now it asking about the gateways. Gateway. So gateway IP is okay. So in my case, the gateway IP. Let me show you. So uh, in my case, if I will go, so in setting, so you will see in second interface I have selected custom. In custom I have selected net configuration. Okay, so let me show you. In net configurations I have selected the default gateway IP is 192.168.85.0.85.2. Okay, so this is the default gateway IP. Okay, I will just put this IP. Okay, so 192.168.85.2. Okay, so this IP would be the default gateway IP. Okay, I will just put enter. Okay, now as you can see here, the route is added here. Okay, uh, okay, and now I will just press T. Okay, top level, and then okay, so now I need to save this setting. First of all, I need to save this setting, so I will just press capital S. Okay, so it will take some time. It's saved now, and then I need to apply. Okay, the same setting. So I need to press A, and yeah, it asking to confirm. You need to press capital C. So you need to press capital C here and press enter. It will take some time. Okay, and the route will be applied to the gateway. Okay. Okay, so in this screen, as you can see here, it's showing P. P means pending. As you can see, the P statement. The P statement is mentioned here, pending, say but not applied. Okay, so as we have already saved the setting. Okay, but right now it applying on the gateway. Okay, so it will take some time. Okay, uh, so hold on. Okay, now it applied.